Hi everyone, it's me. Welcome to my channel. So this principle is called adapt colors to undertones. And it simply means that you need to adapt or adjust the colors that you put on your face to complement your undertones. So if you have warm undertones, you should wear warm colors. And if you have cool undertones, you should wear cool colors. Now, you can wear both cool and warm colors if they are the right shades for your skin tone. But you want to be careful because you might end up looking washed out or sickly. A little while ago, I posted a video about how to determine your undertones, which I will link at the end of this video. So after watching this video, watch that one so you know how to apply this principle to your own makeup. Now, the first place we're going to look at is foundation and concealer. Many people with warm undertones struggle with finding the right foundation and concealer color. They either end up choosing something that is too light or too dark or just does unmatch their skin tone. If you have warm undertones, you'll look best in yellow-based foundations and concealers. So these are foundations and concealers that have an undertone of yellow or golden. The best way to find these is to go shopping in person, so you can test them out on your face, because the color can look different depending on the lighting. Foundations and concealers with yellow undertones usually have the word gold or golden in the name. Look for those keywords when you're shopping. If you have cool undertones, you'll look best in foundations and concealers with pink or red undertones. These foundations and concealers will counteract the greenish cast that you may see on someone with warm undertones. You don't want to use foundations and concealers with a green undertone because then you will enhance the greenish cast. Again, look for keywords like pink and red. Another place you need to consider adapting colors to undertones is blush. A blush with a warm undertone will make you glow and look very healthy and vibrant if you have warm undertones. And a blush with a cool undertone will give you a nice rosy glow if you have cool undertones. Avoid wearing blushes that are too bright or too dark, as they will not flatter your complexion. The next product is bronzer. If you want to add warmth to your face without adding color, you can use bronzer. If you have warm undertones, choose a bronzer that has a slight orange undertone. This will really make you look sun-kissed and glowy. Someone with cool undertones should avoid bronzers with an orange undertone because it can make you look orange. You can still use bronzer though, but choose a bronzer that has a grey undertone instead. Bronzers with a grey undertone will contour and define your cheekbones without adding any warmth. The next product is highlighter. Highlighter adds a nice glow to the high points of your face. And if you have warm undertones, you will look best in a highlighter that has golden undertones. A highlighter that has golden undertones will accentuate the natural golden glow of your skin. If you have cool undertones, you will look best in a highlighter that has more champagne or silver undertones. A highlighter that has champagne or silver undertones will make your skin look radiant and not too flashy. Next product is eyeshadow. When choosing eyeshadow colors, keep in mind your skin tone, eye color, and hair color. Now, I do want to say that you can only wear certain colors based on your undertones, because that would be too limiting and that would make things way too complicated. However, there are some colors that tend to work better than others. So, if you have warm undertones, you will look best in matte eyeshadow colors that have more yellow undertones, like gold, bronze, copper, terracotta, burnt orange, rust, peach, apricot, beige, and brown. If you have cool undertones, you will look best in matte eyeshadow colors that have more pink or purple undertones, like mauve plum, lavender, lilac, periwinkle, taupe, grey, navy, and black. Now, again, don't feel limited by this list. There are no hard and fast rules in makeup. Only use these guidelines as a helpful suggestion to help you find colors that will harmonize with your appearance. Experiment with colors and, most importantly, wear what makes you feel confident and beautiful. And remember that the colors that you wear for your eyeshadow should harmonize with the colors that you have on your face, such as your foundation, concealer, blush, bronzer, and highlighter. So let S say, for example, that you have warm undertones and you re-wearing a bronzer with a slight orange undertone and a blush with warm undertones. In this case, you can experiment with a more orange-based eyeshadow palette because it will harmonize with the products that you have on the rest of your face. Next product is lipstick. Lipstick can be tricky because there are so many different colors. So here's a simple rule of thumb. If you have warm undertones, wear lipsticks with warm undertones. And if you have cool undertones, wear lipsticks with cool undertones. Now, warm lipsticks include colors like red with orange undertones, coral, orange, peach, nude, and brown. Cool lipsticks include colors like red with blue undertones, pink, purple, rose, and berry. But keep in mind that you can wear both warm and cool lipstick colors as long as they are the right shade for your skin tone. For example, if you have warm undertones, you could wear a pink lipstick if it's a warm pink like this one. I hope you learned something new today. Please leave a comment below and let me know which tip was your favorite. And if you enjoyed this video, please hit the thumbs up button because it really helps me out. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.